Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. This is a rear entry. You can see with the key fob here I can operate both power sliding doors and the trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry wheelchair accessible conversion. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got the clamps here, got the handles up top. These clamps you just pinch and you flip. Super simple to do. Check it out. I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. Now, it's about 4 inches wider than a side entry, so if you have a bigger chair or want to haul bigger chairs, this might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry vehicle, you cannot get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance. They're able to scale over, rougher terrain and maybe even some snow this time of year, and they're much more affordable to convert, therefore much more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons we do so many rear entries, but we've also got some side entries, so if you're interested, give me a call. 800-pound weight capacity, about 55 inches coming inside the van, then about 56 inches once you're inside the van. The taper down to about 32 inches of width there at the where the ramp sets. It's got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. It's about a foot longer channel than both the Toyota and the Dodge. So if you're looking to haul 2 wheelchairs at a time, trust me, that extra foot's going to make a difference. These Chryslers might be the answer for you. So we can also put a 3rd row flip base seat that flips up and down, so you can potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. It's got about 21 inches of room between those seats. And we can put up some flip base seats that flip up on their sides. So if you want the entire channel to be clear, we can do that for you. So my point is, let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Clean headliner, got your rear air controls up there. And we got the brand new Q-Straight tie downs. Those are high dollar. We throw those in at no additional charge to you. Got your Q-Straight tie down and information there. Nice center console. Plenty of plug-ins for all your electronics. It's even got plug-ins here in the rear for your passengers in the 2nd row for whatever their phone or whatever electronics they may have. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. We've got the power doors can be operated up at the center console there as well. Large backup camera there as well. Now as you exit the vehicle, when you get everybody secured, just reverse the process. As you can see, check it out, 1 finger, super simple to do. And now, our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. Like, what do you expect them to say? I want you to ask them their warranty. Most of them are going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles on the warranty. Ours is a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. So if theirs stops after 36,000 miles, ours goes unlimited. You tell me who has the better built conversion. So got the brand new tires on. This van's tires were getting a little low, so we put some brand new Yokohama Avid tires. We did not spare expense on these. We went with the high brand expensive tires. All 4 of them are brand new. Has to do a walk around here. Nice clean van. It's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it's very clean, very well taken care of. And what I recommend, no matter who you buy from, I want you to get a video, not a picture, a video of the VIN number sticker. And you say, well, why would I do that? These people post vehicles online all the time. They don't even have the vehicle in their possession. They're just posting it, trying to get you to send them a deposit for it. Once you send the deposit, they disappear, okay? Anyone can get a picture of the VIN number, okay? But this video, this means the vehicle is here right in my possession, right here on the ground with me. This is not some internet scam, so make sure you get a video of that VIN number. Don't get scammed. Okay, what we do with that VIN number, we do a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You see 1 owner, no accident or damage. Used as a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rentals. I would agree. If it's a sports car, probably been driven pretty hard. I don't think too many people say, honey, grab the kids, we're going to rent out the Chrysler Pacifica this weekend and go race it. It means highway miles. That's exactly what you want on a used vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, 1 owner, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. And if we check on Carfax here, shows the vehicle went into service 3/23 of 22, so it meets the specs to be under the full Chrysler powertrain warranty until 3/23/27 or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. Now, No matter who you do business with, find them online, look at the reviews and ratings. Find us on eBay. You can see we have 1,430 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. It's a pretty darn good reputation right there. And no matter who you do business with, look them up on Google. First of all, make sure they're a real company. Again, make sure you're not getting scammed. You can see we're here in Wichita, Kansas. 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, and I hear people all the time. They talk to me about how they found a van on Craigslist once too good to be true. They buy from a private individual they know nothing about. They end up getting scammed out of their life savings. They end up buying a complete lemon. I'm telling you what, these people know what they're doing, so beware of who you're buying from. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers and they don't bother checking the dealer's reputation. A dealer with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews, they end up buying a van with a salvage title, flood damage, mechanical issues, you name it, I've heard it all. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, go ahead and shop with them. If you want 5-star service with 5-star vehicles from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to your phone call. Okay, another great feature about this van, it's got the remote start. You hit that button twice, so whether it's a nice warm day, you want that air conditioner on, or if it's cold this time of year, you want to come out to the nice heated steering wheel and seats, nice warmed up, ready to go. The remote start makes that happen. Now we do have one key fob. If you want us to get additional key fobs made on your dime, we can sure do so. This van has the black leather interior, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And one thing I also like about this van is the push button start. So if the key is in your pocket or it's in your purse, you don't have to worry about fishing it out. You just climb in the van, put your foot on the brake, push the push button start, you're ready to go. 47,299 miles, and you can see there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no dummy lights on. We've got our nice backup camera that I mentioned. It's a huge screen. We've got our heated seats for both sides. Got your heated steering wheel over here. I don't know if you've ever tried a heated steering wheel. It would change your life. It's very nice. I was blown away the first time I tried one. This van's even equipped with a Sirius satellite radio, so that's a super nice feature if you like to jam. And if you're going to use this for business, hit the off button there. If you like to in and out of these doors all the time, they open and shut quickly without risk of damage. Just show you the back here as well. I know you've already seen back here. It's just super clean, very well taken care of. You got your rear air controls back there. And it's got these privacy shades here that'll fold up, so extra privacy, keep it nice and cool in here. You've got that option. Now I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. I'm going to show you the power mirrors and windows working right now. But we tested not only these, the power steering, power brakes, the heat, air, brakes, hoses, belts, suspension, steering, replace fluids as necessary. Taking these on a road test, check the tires. My point is, we do not just wash these and throw them on the lot like a lot of dealers do. We inspect them very thorough, and I hope if nothing else you can tell by my videos, we are very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, it's got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any fluid leaks or anything like that. No signs of any rust from being in a flood or being in a rusted area. And that's the number one mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it looks nice in the pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's got a clean title. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And I tell you what, that is the most dangerous thing you can do. What I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. That's right. I want you to go look at their website. I want you to ask yourself, do they show their reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got not only a clean title, but no major damage, never been in a flood, anything like that? Do they get on their hands and knees on the pavement on the ground right here and bother getting you pictures, much less a video of the undercarriage so you can see it hasn't been flooded, you can see it's not all bent up from a bad accident? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the exact vehicle you're going to get, please compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle that's got frame damage, whether it's from a flood or an accident, it may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a van you can't even drive. So do 4 things. I don't care who you buy from. I hope it's from me. But demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Are they really going to ask you to spend $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 or more and not get out here and put their heart and soul into the videos like I do? Second thing, demand a Carfax report. Not some cheap knockoff. I spend thousands of dollars every month on Carfax reports. I do that because I want to know what I'm buying, and more importantly, I want you to know what you're getting. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, look up their reputation, look up the reviews. It takes 3 whole minutes. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed, lazy buyers get burned. Don't be one. And finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, comes with a powertrain specs from Chrysler to meet the powertrain warranty. We do not sell as is and do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We stand behind our product. That's why we make sure every single van comes with a warranty. So let's get it out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, before I get the van on the highway, I want to show you. See this little overpass right here? If you notice in my pictures of my vans, I park the van down there, I climb on top of that overpass, and I get you a picture of the roof of the vehicle. My point in telling you that, what other owners of the companies, I stand right there on that overpass, just right inside, there's a ledge there. I put the picture of the van down in that parking lot. My point is, I'm going the extra mile. I want you to know what you're getting. How many pictures of you do you see of the roofs of the vehicle? How many owners are out there climbing on overpasses so you can see it? But I'm dedicated, here I am. So I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Pacifica home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy, we got the cruise control set, cruise works good, steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, just exactly what we're looking for. Some great safety features on this van. It's got the lane departure warning, so if I start to drift out of my lane, the van is going to steer me. You see I got no hands on this thing? It's going to steer me and put me right back in the proper lane. So keep sideswipe collisions, can be very dangerous on the highway. It's got the blind spot monitor. See my little yellow light opening up? It means someone's in my blind spot over there. It's got the brake assist. So if I'm coming up on somebody not paying attention, the van will stop me and help keep me from rear-ending them. So whether it's for your family, personal, or even a business, can you really risk not having these safety features? I mean, obviously you don't want yourself or your family hurt. Even if you own a business, work comp claim, getting sued, insurance rates raised, you cannot afford to have that happen. So these extra safety features are must-haves. Do keep in mind, we do have the specs to meet the powertrain warranty on this van. We do have long-term, like bumper-to-bumper factory-type warranties available. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, what they've hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees before you buy. Be sure to ask about the shipping before you buy. Or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? I don't know. I just know in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video right now. And as I came down the ramp back there, if you saw, I came down with a hard brake. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So all exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, it's that super pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Pacifica whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. But yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you do want to come in, please make an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Call me, make that appointment. You have to have an appointment. We just stay busy every second of the day, and we're more than happy to spend some time with you. So if you made it to the end of our video, thank you so much for hanging in there. Hey, give us a thumbs up on YouTube. Give us the like. That would help us out. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our inventory before everybody else does. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable, a mobility solutions, the most thorough mobility dealership in the country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.